And they get really...
I love Bulbasaur. Balthazar.
Intro time. Welcome to my video. Day 3. Sam, hello. Sam is here. Enter. I'm so excited.
Yay!
This guy's vibe, but then he got better.
He was chill.
He was fine after a while. Hey, it's almost Luffy, but not. It's time.
It is time.
To watch. And also it's time that we're at MegaCon. Chewy!
Yeah, we want to.
And Freddy. Coffee, food?
Yeah.
Sam's like, I brought my food and I ate at home.
Yeah.
Look at it!
Oh, yeah.
Look at who I found! I love you.
Why do I love
And I will
that
protect
person?
you forever. I'm sorry. I thought you were talking about something else and you're like, yeah, it's hard. I love Squirtle. Who's your favorite Charmander?
Literally choosing a starter.
I'll like put all the stats out and like look at every single one, and then I always end up with the fire one anyways.
I like a good plant one, but I'm not a Bulbasaur girl. I like Chikorita.
Because anytime I was like, well, I said I couldn't choose, and I'm like, but all of them except for like I wouldn't choose
Bulbasaur's
Bulbasaur.
great.
And you were like, say that again, and I was like, oh,
Listen,
I love him.
People sleep on the plant ones, and they get really.
I love Bulbasaur. Balthazar.
We're like-
Balthazar.
They get really powerful. I'm just saying.
I look at your face when you say Balthazar the Pokemon. Bulbasaur. Anyway, I think he's great. I mean, she don't know.
He's so cute. To no one's surprise, we've gotten coffee. See, because I'll always record, and Lolly's like, and she's like, I'm prepared already.
Like, she was asking me to spell my name, and I said S, and then at each letter I kept doing it, and then like she stopped when I did the second A, and she just wrote an I, and I went H, and then she just smiled at me, and I was like, so it's Sarah.
Like, right. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. And my SpongeBob bag. And
Me and my
Sarah's Mediterranean. Like, I just want to look at her. Look at her. Look at her. Hello. Show the fit. Do the noodle.
With like my jacket.
This is my wife.
My wife.
She accidentally got a face full of titties.
Just accidentally.
I fell for you.
You're like accidental. Yes. Yes. Everybody looks so cute.
Oh my god, yeah.
Here we are. Look at how nice it is out here. Look at Theodore, the rat, with Theodore, the other rat.
Look at everybody. Everyone, we out here.
We're waiting for Sam to meet Christensen.
Which honestly, we're living vicariously through her. It's fine. It's
We
fine.
breathed his air.
We gave him some breath.
We breathed towards him.
That
He was
line
in
is,
another room.
That line is long though.
Yeah.
He was in another room.
But he felt it.
It reached him. What did you say? He's lucky to breathe our air.
I'm like, what? He's lucky to breathe our air. And that guy was like,
He's like, what you talking about?
Anyway, the weather is so nice today.
Honestly, maybe they should always host it in March.
Yeah, we're always like, it's too early in the year.
I know.
Wait
and
a
we're
minute.
like, wait a minute.
In
Did
your leg.
Exactly, bro. Did they think ahead for once? They did, honestly, probably because, listen, we're here Saturday.
complaints
We're here,
last
yeah,
time.
we're here Saturday.
There was a lot going on.
Saturday last year was hell. Had a great time. Mind
Sorry,
you.
I'm like
Wait,
this.
remember? Mind you. Last year was bad on Saturday, so they were very prepared, communicated well, told us when things were full, whatever. So it's better. It's good this year. It's good this year. And by that I mean chaos-wise. We're good. Anyway, and the weather, incredible. So this hair right now is giving like the 90s, like the flip out Mary Kate and Ashley. Like remember how their layers used to flip out like perfectly?
That was early 2000s.
Yeah, oh, you're right, it was. I was getting mixed up thinking.
I was like, actually?
Yeah, no, you're right, because I was about to say Friends, like Rachel, even though it's not the Rachel haircut.
Yeah,
but she
hers
had
is in,
something
but it's a similar,
like that. Yeah. But every time we think of a Mary Kate and Ashley movie when they're in their preteens early on, one of them always had this, and then the other one had, like, you know how they fraternal twins.
Yeah, it's wild to me that they're fraternal.
We just tell them.
I thought that. Obviously, I thought they were identical because they look identical. But then Sarah told me that they're actually fraternal.
It was like a fun fact for the longest time because people were always like, how? But they're just siblings that look alike. Literally, that's what that is. but they're twins because they were born at the same time. That's what
Shook.
Yeah. It looked like you were just like a twin, a concept, and I'm like, no, that's
Anyway, I mean, like you
Look at
said,
this. Look at this
they look
angle.
like all their other siblings.
CB,
They all look like twins.
Film.
Say hi.
Hey. She's Pete. The character is Pete. That's the
Behind. Oh my gosh, she's so cute.
Oh, good. Look, a one-seater.
A one-seat bench. A chair.
I literally forgot what a freaking.
Sarah's like, oh, there's a bench, a one-seat
I
bench.
said, there's a one-seater bench over there. And Stevie's literally like.
A chair?
I got so caught up in the euphoria
Of the fact that there was a bench.
I forgot the chairs exist.
Listen, one time I said, I'm like, for food fights, I think I told you this. I was like, when I was like a teenager, I was like, it'd be cool if they had like round meat, like for food fights, and my friends like meatballs.
Stop.
And then I was also like, oh yeah, they're battle hats, and they're like helmet. And
My gosh, a battle
point is-
hat. That's pretty sick.
point is that we've all been there.
Listen. The brain.
The one-seater?
Sounds kind of nice though, doesn't it?
The one-seat bench. You know what? Sometimes we want a love seat for one. You know what I mean?
That's what I'm saying. That sounds like an
You know what I'm
anime
saying?
name. The one seat. There is an anime coming out about a chair that's like sentient. I'm pretty sure.
Wait, I thought that came out a long time ago.
That was a thing though, right? I'm not
Yeah, right?
Yeah, the one-seater.
Or am I thinking, or was that a YouTube
where
video?
are
Okay, Sam is back from meeting Hayden Christensen.
He was really sweet.
She got a hug. Was it the best moment of her life? Look at it. Okay, again, I always think of Shinobu from Bob's Burgers
Oh, LOL.
when that's her toy.
She's the butterfly one from
Shinobu.
Demon Slayer. She's always
Oh,
like,
yeah,
"This is
yeah,
why
yeah.
no one likes you," and I'm like, that is the sweetest, tenderest boy. How could you?
Look at that. Look at Shigaraki.
And look, literally, this is so sad.
What? Oh. And love of my life.
Wow. Theodore's rats.
Oh. Yay. Oh, she knows it. Walking.
I know you're like, how could you ever be stressed by this? I was like, Stevie, just wait. And then you're like, I'm about to riot if you didn't put our pants down.
Another Nanami. Okay.
Oh yeah.
It's 7 p.m. and we just finished our third day. And we just spoiler. Okay. And we did a shoujo trivia thing, but honestly, in my hearts we won because I don't think our points were put down.
I don't think so either. Gosh,
It was a whole thing. But anyway, we're exhausted, so
I literally look sick right now. I know. Theodore's
you
anemic.
don't. But I feel
Bless his soul.
Yeah.
No, we all look fabulous first time. Perfect.
I know we're so cute. Oh wait, let me do my TikTok.
Oh yes.
And then I'm done. Time to go. It's so nice out. Oh, I just love being outside. Especially after we're just inside all day. I'm like, love being outside. This is the shot, like the view of the whole vlog. Just the top.
You can see Choso.
Ah, it's so nice out. It smells so good. The fairies. I just want to be outside. So cute. They are so cute. See the fairies. The wind. And goodbye today.
You win this
The Sarah. Choso takes on Pho? Although I don't have pho. Yeah, we have.
Yeah, look.
Like. Gato?